cut solids 4, hyperbola. We're given the cone here with a slice cut of it. In elevation, that's what that will look like there. This cut here is what's known as a hyperbola. I just want to show you what a hyperbola is. I've just this swiveling on a point just to show you different cuts of a cone. If we slice the top of that cone along that black line there, the section we get is a circle. If I rotate that around to a different location at an angle, then that red line there represents an ellipse. If we go as far as that blue line, which is parallel with the generator, that is a parabola. Once we go past that, we're into the green lines, and the green lines represent the hyperbolas. That's a hyperbola. And this vertical one here is the one that we're asked for today. That's a hyperbola as well. So any of these positions are hyperbola until we come back parallel with the generator on the other side. And that there is a parabola. And once we go past that again, then we're back into the ellipse again. And then back to the circle again. There are the 4 sections: the circle, the ellipse, the parabola and the hyperbola. On this drawing here, we have the plan and the elevation and the end view. These generators here have been cut, so that line there is the front line here, and it's cut. The next line here, number 2, it's cut somewhere up here. Number 1 again is cut. We have to do is trace those points. We project the points up to the elevation. So this line here, 11, is cut there. So if we bring that point up to 11, generator 11, we'll just bring up all the points now from the generators here below. So project them all up. And now locate the points. That point's on the base, so it'll be on the XY line here. This is line 11. So up to 11. 0. Generator 0. That's that point there. On 1. That point there. And number 2. Number 3 is a problem because it's a vertical line. The bottom one here will get on the ground here. To get that one on number 3, bring it across to the end view. So we'll just project them all across to the end view and up to the end view. Now this point is on line 3, and line 3 is the outside one. So bring it across and up till it intersects that line. That gets us that point. Draw horizontally across to meet line 3, and that's that point there. Now you have all the points, so line in the curve. And the same in the end view. That's the elevation end view done. Now to get the true shape of the cut, project out at 90 degrees to the cut. Draw an XY line at 90 degrees to the projection lines. Mark off the heights on this template. Mark top there so that you know, and B for the bottom here. Mark them off now on the center line. And draw horizontal lines through those. That's the top point there. Join that back down. That's the outside generators. Now mark the points. And line in the curve. And that's cut solids 4 complete.